Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about some design aspects. These are in the design tab as well. We're gonna see watermarks, page borders, and page color. Let's start with the watermark. We have a document here and we wanna watermark it. So we'll go to the design tab and we have this watermark with the drop-down list. We can add a preset watermark like this one, confidential, and if we go to file, print, we can see it in the preview, or we can choose a custom watermark. For example, we can select a picture, or this is a picture watermark. I'll go to select picture and I'll choose a picture from a file and just browse to any picture. Okay, I have a graph here and I can see it, but it's very faded out. I don't know if it's apparent in the recording, but I can see it. Maybe we can customize it a bit. So I'll untick the washout and click on apply. It's more clear now. So now I can see the picture. Again, we go to watermark, custom watermark. We click on select picture and browse to the picture that we want and click on OK. The washout will show it as more faded, so I'll keep it unticked. This is a watermark. We can insert text as a watermark instead. So again, I'll click on the watermark, go to custom watermark and select the text option, text watermark. Now I'll type the text that I want. I have a drop-down list, or I can type any text. So this is the text. I can choose the font for this text. So this is Corbel, and I can choose the color. This is red, and I want it to be in diagonal, and OK. This is the watermark, and again, if I go to the preview, I can see it. In the design tab, we have page borders, and we can select the borders like we selected two paragraphs. So again, we click on page borders. We have this tab, page border, and we select a box. We'll make it in green. And we have the option to apply this to the whole document, to this section, to the first page of this section, or to this section except the first page. So if I set it to the whole document, that's the whole document showing a border. I can instead, and I have the document, in this document I have two sections. So this is section 1 and this is section 2. I'll undo the border. This time I'll apply a page border. Again, I have to select the border, and this time it's in red, and I'll apply it to this section, and I have it for section 1 only without section 2. Maybe I can change it, so I'll undo this again and I'll change it to this section except the first page, and again I'll choose dark red border. So this is the first page in the section. It has no border, yet the others have a border until the end of the section. So this is end of section and the border ends on this page. Again, if I go to file, print, I can see the border in the preview, so the border is gonna be printed. Let's select a page color for my document. So I've selected this one, and I'm working this time in the print layout. So if I go to the view tab, I'm in the print layout, and I have a blue color for my document, and I can change it. So again, if I want, I can go to page color, choose fill effects, and add texture. So I have predefined textures, or I can select my own. This is a texture for my document. Yet if I go to file, print, the paper is still in white. Now this might be useful if I'm printing on colored paper. I'm printing on yellow paper. I can see my document, how it would appear if I print it on a yellow paper, and I won't have to waste yellow ink. But what if I want to print the background? So I can do that by going to File again, Options, selecting display options, and then I have to take Print Background Colors and Images. OK, And now if I go to File Print, I can see the background in the preview. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.